Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today at Wilfred House in Kenilworth, just a few minutes walk to the town centre with all of its amenities. Come with me, let's take a look inside. This is a stunning, recently renovated 5-bedroom property with an amazing double height extended gable end with open plan kitchen dining. There is also the added benefit of a separate annex at the rear of the garden that could be used for family members or as potential rental income. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.